Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be taking down all our Easter decorations like the bunnies, the carrots, the eggs and grass, and doing a little bit of cleaning as well. I'm going to be starting out in my dining room, and then I'm going to work all the way around the house gathering all the Easter decor. I'm really kind of sad to be taking this decor down because I really enjoyed it this year and I loved how it turned out. If this is your first time here, welcome. Or if you're returning, welcome back. My name is Krissy and I love to share all things homemaking, like home decor and decorating, DIY projects, recipes, and of course cleaning motivation. If those things are things that you are interested in, definitely hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you stick around and become part of our family. I find it easier for me if I gather all the decor from all over the house before packing them away. That way I can nestle the more fragile pieces in with the softer pieces. And I'm gonna try to fit everything except that carrot patch sign in this one bin if I can, so wish me luck. Several years ago, I DIY'd this ottoman. It was a wooden coffee table that I had thrifted for $5. We cut the legs down, we added some foam and batting, and then covered it with a faux leather material, and it has definitely seen better days. And I've been going back and forth with the idea of recovering it with the drop cloth type material. I'm sure that if I do that, I will definitely share it with you guys. My plan for after Easter decor is just to keep up some of the more springy decor, like mainly just the flowers. I'm currently trying to decide what I want to do next. I'm really leaning toward a rustic Americana theme. We shall see. With everything that's been going on, we haven't been out to purchase the wood we need for my new table that my husband is building for me. The 2 lighter chairs were purchased to go with the new table, so I need to buy more of those. I'm just kind of waiting for them to go on a better sale. One of my awesome subscribers here suggested moving those lighter colored chairs onto the ends. So that's what I'm doing here, and I really do like it that way much better. So thank you. I'm just doing a quick wipe down of my countertops, mainly because they need it, but also because I am in love with this rose scent from Mrs. Meyer's. I buy mine from the Grove Collaborative, and I will have my link down below in case you want to check it out. I really hoped you guys enjoyed today's video. Leave it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I would love to have you be part of our YouTube family. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!